Hi Mythics! Sorry if I've not updated some videos for a long time because I've been busy creating and crafting random things and accessories for dolls. Also, I'm busy making keychains. I will show you how I make them for some other time. But today, what I want to show you guys is my new doll arrived, yay! And now this time it's a full doll. It's from a Gem of Doll, and Gem of Doll is currently very popular in the Philippine community because Gem of Doll is now available at Shopee. Salamat Shopee. So it's easier to buy them and it's easy, it's faster. I got my doll around 3 weeks. So it's a 2-order process because it's a COD, cash on delivery, because cash on delivery has a limit. So it needs to be a 2 package. The first package that I received is a small box that it has a heel fit. It's a freebie from the Gem of Doll. So thank you for that freebie. So I want to be honest, I already opened the box because I'm so excited, and I didn't film that time because my eyes is puffy because I just woke up. My brother woke me up that there's some delivery and I got up like, wow, it's my doll. And then yeah, everything happened so fast. I opened the box without showing you guys. So, but I'll be recreating the opening so you can guys know what's in the box and how they prepare it. So okay, I'll change the camera angle so you guys can clearly see what's inside the box.
Try me, bitch.
So before that, I want to show you, this is the heel fit I received. See, it's pointy, very tan. The hook is included also. So this is the inside. There's another box to protect the original box of the doll. Right here, so just is Gem of Doll. Inside of this envelope is a VIP card from Gem of Doll. I don't know what's this for because it's my first time. It's my first time, guys. It's my first resin doll. There's also the doll I bought. This one is super cute. I'm interested to this cutie right now. All of them is so cute. There's some I love this. This is the certificate, her birth certificate. DOLL BO ZEYA. Free glass eyes. I got a brown color. I'll take a pictures later. Let's try it. There's a lot behind. There's another unboxing for me in the future, but they're really expensive. That will take long. The next time I'll buy, I wish I could buy an SD doll. So say goodbye. Someone is stuck. I don't know how she get. Hey, what are you doing there?